The earpiece to my glasses popped off and I tried to force it back in. And what I ended up doing is shearing off the little plastic nub that is supposed to hold it in place. And so I'm gonna use the old baking soda and super glue trick to fix it. All right, I'm just gonna take a little drop of super glue. I'm actually gonna start it out right here in the corner because I don't want too much. I'm just gonna put it a little at a time. There we go. And then I'll take a pinch of baking soda and I'll just dust it on there. And we'll get an immediate reaction. The more you have, the longer you have to wait. This one should go pretty quick. Let's do that again. That should be good. Now you can see here, this little knob of super glue is hard as a rock. That ain't going anywhere. So now I'm gonna check out the little channel that I was supposed to have used to begin with. See if you can see it. Right there, let's get a light on there. See that little channel right there? I'm gonna slip it in at a 45 degree. And hopefully fix my glasses. There we go. Good as new.